everybody, another day, another dollar. My name is Jesse Cohen. Today is Tuesday, November 3rd, and this is today's Market Bell episode covering the top 5 things to know today on Wall Street. Let's get it started off with number 1. After months and months of waiting, and for some people I know it's been years of waiting, the U.S. presidential election has finally arrived. Polls opened this morning, although nearly 100 million voters have already cast their ballots. The first exit polls, which are a projection, are expected to come out at around 7 p.m. Eastern Time tonight. Results will be declared state by state, with most of the focus on the key battleground states such as Florida, Pennsylvania, Michigan, and Wisconsin. If the outcome is clear, the major television networks will then make their official calls at around 11 p.m. Eastern Time. Democratic candidate Joe Biden holds a lead over President Donald Trump in national polls, although races appear to be tightening in the key battleground states, and that could tip the election in favor of President Trump. The biggest fear for markets is that we wake up on Wednesday with no clear winner and the election results still in doubt. That would likely lead to uncertainty and turbulence in markets in the days ahead. However, if there is a clear outcome and a quick concession by the loser, we can then see an election night relief rally similar to the one we saw in 2016, regardless of who the winner is. Head over to Investing.com to stay up to date with the latest breaking news. On to number 2. Stocks on Wall Street are set for another sharply higher open this morning. The Dow futures were pointing to a gain of around 400 points. Futures on the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq were also indicating a positive Tuesday start for the two indexes. The pre-market moves come after stocks on Wall Street rallied on Monday, with the Dow and S&P 500 both ending up more than 1%. On to number 3. Tuesday's presidential election could have a dramatic effect on various stocks and sectors, as we've already witnessed in the run-up to the big day. Investors betting on a Biden administration have fueled a rally in solar stocks, industrials, and small-cap names in recent weeks. On the other hand, energy, material, and financial stocks are expected to benefit from a second-term Trump administration. Just a heads up, folks, I'll highlight 3 election-proof stocks that should do well regardless of a Trump or Biden win for my new weekly post. So stay tuned for that on Investing.com either later today or early tomorrow. On to number 4. There are just a few notable names reporting their latest quarterly results. As Wall Street's Q3 earnings season continues, Wayfair, Ferrari, as well as health sector names such as Humana and Bausch Health are all scheduled to report their results ahead of the opening bell. After the close, we'll then see GW Pharmaceuticals and Prudential report their latest results. Head over to Investing.com's earnings calendar to follow the latest releases. And finally, number 5, in what will be a light day on the economic calendar, monthly U.S. auto sales for October will be reported throughout the day. The pandemic-related shutdowns have encouraged many to move out to the suburbs and purchase cars to get around in a socially distant way. So keep an eye on the data to see if it affirms that trend. So that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. For those tuning in on the podcast, thank you for listening. That's all for me for today. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy.